In sports tonight, Fiji Water Flying Fijians coach Mick Byrne has today announced a formidable and well-balanced 32-member squad to face Tier 1 giants, Australia and Scotland, in back-to-back test matches next month. The squad features a dynamic mix of experienced internationals and rising stars, drawing talent from top-tier European and French clubs and the Fijian Drua franchise. Vanina Songanga with this report.
Fiji Water Flying Fijian head coach Mick Byrne has named 13 players from the Fijian Drua, showcasing the growth of local talent. 10 players based in France, 5 players based in England and a player from New Zealand, and with 3 Super Rugby or overseas academy experience.
From my perspective and our coach's perspective, we're very excited by the squad that we've named, and we've got some really good experience in there and a couple of young players that we've brought in to give an opportunity to and have a look at, and we believe there's a lot of growth and upside in them. We are excited by the future of the game for our Flying Fijians, our Fiji Water Flying Fijians. Over the past years, we've been given the opportunity to play 1 or 2 Tier 1 teams a year, and that's been a great challenge for us, and it's been exciting. But as Master Nathar has mentioned, we are now in that arena. As of next year, we are in the Nations Cup.
Byrne is also excited with the inclusion of the 6 debutants.
I think with all young players, you just want energy. I think the challenge is that they don't probably up to us as coaches not to put too much on them as well. They're there because they show great talent. They're there, they're always playing with a smile on their face, young players. They're always enjoying themselves. And it's really up to us to make sure that they can come into our environment and bring that. All you ever really ask from young players to do their job and bring energy. You know, we don't expect them to be the best player on the ground, we don't expect them to lead anyone, we just expect them to come in, understand their role and bring lots of energy. And all these young players do that really well. So.
He also reveals that Tevita Ikanivere will lead the squad in next month's tests.
I think for me, I was waiting for the question before I announced it. I thought it might come early. Tevita Ikanivere will be the captain of the squad. I'm really looking forward to rekindling my relationship with Tex. And as a young leader, he's grown enormously over the last couple of years. He led well last year, and we're obviously going to miss Waisea. Weiss has been a tremendous leader, and obviously was a great guidance to Tex last year as a co-captain. And just while we're talking about that, I want to wish Weiss all the best, and it was a courageous decision. It's always a tough part of a career, especially someone like Weiss, to retire. And he has all that love from our Flying Fijian.
The Fiji Water Flying Fijians will face off against the Wallabies in a highly anticipated test match on Sunday, July 6th. Vanina Songanga, Fiji 1 News.